Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Maths Live channel. In our last lecture we have solved partial derivatives. We have formed partial differential equation using arbitrary constants as well as eliminating arbitrary constants as well as arbitrary functions. But the method explained there, it is not fixed method. Means for a partial differential equation we can't depend on only one method. There are several methods available to eliminate the constant. Several tricks we have to use. Using that tricks we can form a partial differential equation. So always try to solve some more examples and build your logic so that you can find a partial differential equation. So we can't say that this is the particular method, using that particular method you can get the answer. So a few methods we have discussed in our last video. Now let us solve some more problems and get the idea how to form a partial differential equation. So here one example I have written. Here one example I have written. Form a partial differential equation whose solution is xyz is equal to f of x plus y plus z. So here first write down in proper way is equal to 0 form. So here I write xyz minus f of x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now differentiate it with respect to x. If I differentiate with respect to x partially, differentiate with respect to x partially. So we have to differentiate it with respect to x partially. Tell me the derivative here. Here x and z. Z is also function of x. Keep in your mind. Z is function of x and y. And from that I can find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou x we call it as p and dou z by dou y we call it as q. So the concept we are going to use here, u into v rule. Clearly y is constant. What is derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. Yz as it is. Clearly. Plus. Now xy as it is. What is the derivative of z? It is dou z by dou x. Right? Minus. What is derivative of f? F of x plus y plus z is there. So derivative of f is f dash of x plus y plus z. Derivative of f is f dash of x plus y plus z. Right? And into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is 0. Derivative of z is dou z by dou x. So 1 plus dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Understood this step? I again explain the derivative carefully. Here derivative of x is 1, yz as it is, plus xy as it is, derivative of z is dou z by dou x, minus derivative of f is f dash x plus y plus z as it is, into derivative of x is 1, y is 0 and derivative of z is dou z by dou x. Clearly? Now write this term in terms of p and q. So I get here yz plus pxy minus f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus p is equal to 0. Understood this step? You may write yz plus pxy is equal to f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus p. I just transfer this term to RHS. This is my second equation. Given equation is my, this equal to 0 equation is my first equation. Now differentiate this equation 1 with respect to y partially. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y partially. So do it. X is constant. So here x and z constant, y z is function of y, so u into v rule. Derivative of y is 1, xz. Then xz is there plus xy as it is dou z by dou y minus derivative of f is f dash of x plus y plus z into derivative of x is 0, y is 1 plus dou z by dou y. Understood it? is equal to 0. Again write down in terms of PQ. So I get here xz plus qxy minus f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus q is equal to 0, right? Or you may write xz plus q xy is equal to f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus q. This is my equation number 3, right? From second and third, just divide it. Equation 2 divided by equation 3. What I get if I divide? I get, yes, yz plus pxy upon here xz plus qxy is equal to f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus p divided by, so f dash of x plus y plus z into 1 plus q. Clearly f dash of x plus y plus z get cancelled, you will get your answer. So here yz plus pxy upon xz plus qyz qxy is equal to 1 plus p upon 1 plus q. Cross multiply and simplify, you will get your answer. So, and do the calculation. So here yz plus pxy into 1 plus q is equal to 1 plus p into xz plus qxy. You can simplify and find your answer. Understood this step? We will take some more example. Before that, just simplify this. If I put yz plus pyxy multiply inside, I get here yz plus qyz plus pqxy is equal to xz plus qxy plus pxz pqxy. So pqxy can get cancelled. You can collect the coefficients of x and y. No problem here. I get y minus x into z. See here, these two terms. Then q in bracket y into, yes, z minus x plus p in bracket, you can collect the terms of here pxy, na? One term remain. Yes, here multiply by 1, this term is there and one term remains as it is there. Which is that? Yes, pxy. I forgot to write that pxy. So here p x into y minus z is equal to 0. Okay. Now take the next example. If any error in the calculation, you can complete it and reply me the correct answer. Now here, f of x minus y minus z equal to 0. This is the solution given and we have to form a partial differential equation. So let's do it. First, call this as u. So u is equal to x minus y, v is equal to y minus z. Now find three derivatives. Dou u by dou x 1, dou u by dou y minus 1, dou u by dou z, yes, dou u by dou z is 0. There is no z. Next, dou v by dou x, it is 0. Dou v by dou y 1 and dou v by dou z is equal to minus 1. Now you know the determinant method. What is that? Yes, have you remember? Write your determinant and put the values and find the answer. Have you written your determinant? Yes, dou u by dou x plus p dou u by dou z, dou v by dou x plus p dou v by dou z, dou u by dou y plus q dou u by dou z, dou v by dou y plus q dou v by dou z. Now put all these values here. Yes, determinant. What is dou u by dou x? 1 plus p. Dou u by dou z is 0. Then dou v by dou x is 0 plus p into dou v by dou z. What is dou v by dou z? Minus 1. Dou u by dou y is minus 1 plus q into, what is dou u by dou z? 0. Then dou v by dou y, it is 1 plus q into, what is dou v by dou z? Minus 1. Simplify this determinant, you will get your answer. So here 1 into 1 minus q minus minus 1 into, yes, minus p is equal to 0. So your answer is 1 minus q minus minus minus, so it is minus p is equal to 0. So your answer is p plus q is equal to 1. So in this way we can solve some more examples. In our next session we will take some more examples. For practice purpose, if you want to do, then you can just change here the values, make different values x square, y square and y square, z square like that and equal to 0 and solve the problem. Thanks for watching.